Alright, we'll start this oil change on this Tahoe. You can get in here. The Vortec.
They got this custom burnout over here.
Custom.
It's the cleanest I've seen your pavement in a long time.
Dude, that's what I was gonna say too, man.
Or your concrete.
We should just shut my door and do a bunch of burnouts right there.
Be like graphics. Where's the tool set inside?
Yep. What is it? Damn, shit does not roll. He's at the most piece of shit creeper ever. I firmly support Harbor Freight. They got the greatest shit ever. Talking shit about your creeper. Yeah, and how Harbor Freight's the shit.
Yeah, I like Harbor Freight. I don't care what says. Pop the market. Don't get all greedy.
Where the fuck is this thing?
Over there somewhere.
Oh, here's your oil. Here it is.
It looks like 15.
It's fucking hella small. It's like a 14 or a 13 or a 12. Hella options. Just give me some of those. No, it's hella small. It's like a 12. No, it's a 13.
Alright. I'll be right back. You got a 13 in there, you think?
Yeah, I for sure got a 13 in there. Fucking shit is greasy as fuck. Oh, good thing that was not full of oil yet. That could have been bad. That was my keys, my alarm and everything.
Tool man.
Damn. Dude, this oil filter's a bitch. You're gonna need a rag or something.
You got paper towels?
Yeah.
Might be a rag. Maybe that's the truck. My old truck was like, oh, here is a rag. Oh, it's yummy.
You gonna open your cap so we get some better flowage?
Hi?
Did you open your oil cap?
Yep. For the flow?
Yeah.
We got flow.
Extra flow. Oh, that was epic!
Did you film that shit?
Hell yeah, I did.
Oh, you just wore that on your good coat.
It's alright. Wasn't that good. That was epic.
Oh,
Dude, is this thing like not even jacked up, Curtis? What the fuck?
It's jacked up. It's not all the way up.
Killing me here. I blame that on you. Because I only could go back so far because literally I'm squished. So it's all Curtis's fault. Holy shit!
Why did it go so far?
Jesus, look at how far that shit shoots. Holy shit. That's like the fucking...
That's like 3
Jesus. No wonder I got blasted with it the first time.
That's a little dark.
The oil pan is long ways and it's literally shooting the whole entire length of the oil pan.
That's fucked, dude.
That shit was fucking
Look up oil capacity real quick.
epic, dude. That shit got me, dude. Fucking jizzed on me pretty good there. Blame that all on Curtis. Hey, dude. You got a magnetic oil pan drain plug in this thing.
I just bought that. Last time I didn't know.
Fucking no, you didn't.
Yep. That's the other one.
This is the rag you got me to
rag,
fucking
dude.
wipe this shit off.
Dude, you got it.
It's fucking already like covered in grease. You're just gonna be wiping it with more fucking grease. Dude, I cannot believe that shit shot out so fucking far. Oh, dude. This is the loveliest oil change ever.
It's not going so well.
What do you mean? This is
You're under there.
This is an everyday oil change here at the shop.
Yeah. You know, it's always gonna be a bitch.
Dude, look at how much oil is in this thing.
Dude.
That looks like a lot of fucking oil to me.
Saying 6 quarts.
Why does your oil look red, dude? There's like red bubbles on your oil.
It's engine blood. Didn't you say you wanted to dye your engine oil red or something?
I do want my engine oil to be red. That would be dope. If they don't have it, they should invent engine oil dye.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Then you could run like clear valve cover.
Damn, that shit is still just pissing.
So much oil, bro.
We got the Micro Guard maximum efficiency, maximum protection.
You lube it with the old
The
oil.
MGL 51042.
Lube it.
Get this bitch going here.
Lube it or
Oh
lube
yeah. Oh.
it.
Oh.
It's all dirty. Supposed to use clean oil, but any oil works for me.
Curtis likes the dirty stuff.
I like the dirty
He's a
oil.
dirty boy. Get that sucker
Have fun screwing
nice
it on
and
with your
lube.
oily hands.
Dude, it's quality here.
Quality job.
If you give me a dry or a clean rag, I could wipe that out for you.
Alright, I'll find you something.
So much oil. Probably spill that trying to get it in the fucking thing too. Rookies over here. Curtis in his dirty rag. Probably eventually do a power steering unit on this thing because it's bad and been bad for hella long. It's like super sensitive. But Curtis never wants to do it because he's lazy.
Can I tell everybody where you got these towels?
Dude, those are quality towels, man.
The Lodge of Great Wolves. Thank you, Courtesy Towels.
Screw in this micro guard. Maximum efficiency, maximum protection. See if we can get a twist on this thing so it doesn't leak.
Did drain plug back in it?
No.
It's gonna move this.
There, you're good.
All clear.
Watch Curtis spill all this shit.
Dude, it's like chocolate milk.
Dude, it's red bubbly stuff. Whatever that is.
Don't spill. Don't spill. Easy.
It's fucking extra torque on this thing, so we strip it out. So much torque will bend this little flex plate off.
Oil on the damn it.
Oh, he's bitching about he got a little oil on his hand.
All tight?
Yep. We'll grab these towels. Should be good. Funnels?
Funnel.
You're a rookie, dude.
No funnel.
Dude, that looks like
It's too far down there.
the same kind of little thing Hayden had on his LS1 where it's like got the little extended
Oh, yeah.
spout.
And he was trying to get the waist gates to fit around it, and he's like, I just turned the neck.
Just cut the fucking top off of something.
Do you have it empty or half empty? Or like something like this even?
What's in there?
2-cycle oil.
Oh.
Or like even an empty 420 cleaner. Got an empty 420?
Empty. Look at this shitty ass dirty.
Look at this fucking funnel sitting.
Fuck it. I do not have any funnels.
No funnels.
Funnels are for bitches.
Says the guy that owns one. Oh yeah.
I probably pissed in that.
Thank you, Jason, for the free oil change.
Yeah, where's my free oil?
This is the
Jason?
last one. He doesn't even get oil anymore because he's a jerk.
Dude, I know. Had to switch jobs. Now he doesn't get fucking oil.
Dick.
Fucking loser.
Oh, it's so clear.
I really didn't put that drain plug in. I was just joking.
I've done that before.
Just fill it up,
It
dude.
won't. It's fucking, the funnel's too small.
No, it's not. Just dump it. It's clearly not even close to the top. He's just a pussy.
Come on. Drink.
Should I just tip it?
Ah!
I almost got him.
See the steam coming out? Still hot.
You vape, bro?
Yeah, do you even vape? Vaping's for guys with man buns. And drive Subaru WRXs. And then vape at every stoplight.
Dude, I should make it a little more difficult for him here. No.
Sure.
Come on, dude. You had to pour through the whole thing. He stopped.
That helped the gravity,
He stopped.
the gravity pour.
He let off, though.
You gotta let off. Drink it, bitch.
This is how you pour oil into a car.
For 10 minutes.
And just for reference, you check your oil with this engine oil dipstick.
No, you check it through
not
this one.
through this engine filler cap. Hashtag someone I know.
Yeah. Someone we both know.
Good, did you get that other oil?
There's this one laying in there too.
Yeah, well, look at it and see what color it is.
Is it old oil? Is it?
It's probably good.
Looks like old oil.
No. That's
Nope,
clear
that's
oil. I probably peed in it though.
You had to.
It's diesel.
Dizzle. Isn't that what Watt says? Dizzle?
I don't know.
Or no, they all say it about Watt's truck. The Dizzle's here. The Dizzle.
Dude, does that make it work better when you jiggle it like
Yeah.
that before you pull it out?
I'm not checking it right now anyways. I had to wipe it off.
What was the jiggle for
I'm
then?
just making sure it was all the way down. Checking! Looks like there's oil in it.
The real question is Curtis gonna reset the oil light? Oh!
Son of a bitch.
He fucking dropped the fucking cap.
Ugh. Fuck! You left a wrench under the truck, so hot.
We're gonna have to bleep that.
Yeah.
That
delete,
was you.
delete.
You left that wrench. I clearly. Let's see what number it is, and then I'll tell you. It's a 14. What did you do with all that oil? Oh, he put it over there.
Gotta figure out how to reset this light.
So he is gonna reset it, probably only because I said something.
Open the door, get in it, close the door, put your key in the ignition, begin to reset the oil light. This should only be done if it has been changed. What?
Did it say anything about if you peed in it instead?
Yeah. Urine. I think that's not right. There we go.
Let's see if Curtis can actually reset the oil light. Look, he has to watch a video of how to make a video on how to watch a video.
Yeah. Tell me what to do.
Can Curtis do it the first time?
Dude, I already knew that. Not really. All done.
And did he really
So I
do
just
it?
had to turn the thing on to on, hit the gas pedal 3 times, and it's changed and it's done.
So
Now I just got to check
really,
it one more time.
if you just start your car and just rev it up 3 times in the morning, you've changed your oil.
Changed your oil. Exactly. See, that's how I'm looking at it.
His oil light probably never goes off.
Oh hell no.
Because he's always just revving it 3 times.
Stomping it. What's that noise?
Your AC system equalizing, probably. My truck does that. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it does.
A little more in there, just it has an oil leak anyway, so you can't
A little bit more anyways, because free oil, Jason's oil and my oil, so he'll put as much as he wants in there.
12 quarts.
This thing's probably like empty. It looks empty.
No, it's full of like...
Definitely looks like it's almost empty. I guess it's way down there.
Dude, look in there. It's all yummy.
Dude.
It's full. It's good.
No, that shit's hella low, bro. Where's this little line that says this motherfucker needs to put in fluid? Says fluid cold level. Alright, it might be the right level. Lucky fucking punk. Where? What? You're just putting them back in there? I have a big one. Oh, you spilt a little bit. Oh no.
That's why I'm over here.
Oh no.
Oh, this oil goes in so much faster.
Dude. You should have did it on the other corner. That way it like doesn't rainbow my parking lot as bad.
Drain corner. Oh, you mean over the bush? Dude, I like the rainbow parking lot. From that oil pressure sensor, our very first video. Just pissing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not even that full yet.
Dude, I have like a jug in the back you could put it in. That'll take the whole thing. Oh yeah, and the gauge is on the side next to me. It's only halfway full.
I wasn't trying to leave this here.
Dude, I have like 2 5-gallon buckets full of oil.
Dude, I need to take mine in too. I got like 7 of these. Where we at?
You got like a quart left.
I gotta wipe this funnel out.
Yeah, because you put piss oil in it.
Yes.
I don't have a funnel.
how I'm getting way in there, but I'm not. I'm gonna have to rinse it out with some brake clean.
Dude, there's probably, I bet you there's a funnel right back here too.
I tried to look, but I didn't see
It must have fell on the ground,
Yeah, I
because
thought
I
there
guarantee
was
you
one.
there is a funnel back there.
There used to be one. There we go for the next oil change.
And then just you pour that through a coffee filter
Yep.
and right back into your car.
Recycled. That's what they do at the shops. That's why they want your old oil.
And then they'll charge you a disposal fee too.
Yeah.